So use
I'll
the
just
mic.
let it go.
Okay.
When do I do it? Now?
Yep. Well, welcome everybody. I want to thank you for taking a valuable part of your week to be here and joining the celebration. And welcome to the Kanawha City Health Center. This is one of, well, it's a, let me start again. Welcome to the Kanawha City Health Center. I'm Craig Robinson. I'm the executive director of Cabin Creek Health Systems. Cabin Creek Health was organized in 1973 by, what?
A little.
Cabin Creek, is that better?
Yeah.
Cabin Creek Health Center was organized in 1973 by a group of coal miners from the Cabin Creek and Pink Creek areas to address the problem of health access in those communities. And it began began providing services in a elementary school on Cabin Creek. It just repurposed the classroom, and which it took over to provide medical services, minimal medical services. But at the current time, Cabin Creek has developed into 6 health centers across Kanawha County. It serves most of the county and has a very comprehensive set of ambulatory health care services, from pharmacy to addiction care, behavioral health, pediatrics, geriatric care. It's something that those original coal miners are very proud of. But it could not have been possible without Medicare and Medicaid, which were organized just a few years before the Cabin Creek Health Center was organized. So we're very pleased to be a part of this celebration today, celebrating the enactment of Medicare and Medicaid coverage almost 60 years ago, and to recognize those who struggled for years before it happened to make it happen. These are giant steps in bringing health security to the elderly and disabled, and they were necessary to create the healthcare infrastructure that we all rely upon today. We also celebrate those who continue to struggle to protect and build upon those earlier achievements in obtaining health equity for all of us. So you'll now hear from some of those who are actively involved now in building upon the achievements of those almost 60 years ago. Thank you. I'm going to introduce now Steely Zuckett from the Citizens Action Group to start us off.